Imagine a place where snow-capped peaks kiss the azure sky, where gurgling rivers carve their way through lush valleys, and where the air carries the scent of pines and the whispers of legends. This is not a fairy tale nor a scene from a fantasy novel. This is Himachal Pradesh, a gem nestled in the lap of the mighty Himalayas in India. Once upon a time, in the ancient era, the region that is now Himachal Pradesh was divided into several small republics, each with its own unique culture and governance. These were the Janapadas, which were later assimilated into larger empires, such as that of the Mauryas, Guptas, and eventually the Mughals. Geographically, Himachal Pradesh is a marvel of nature. It is a land of stark contrasts, where every turn of the road reveals a landscape more breathtaking than the last. From the arid cold deserts of Spiti and Lahaul to the lush greenery of Kangra and Mandi, from the apple orchards of Shimla to the tea gardens of Palampur, Himachal Pradesh is an artist's palette of vibrant hues. This landlocked state is bordered by Jammu and Kashmir to the north, Punjab to the west, Haryana to the southwest, and Uttarakhand to the southeast, while the Tibetan Plateau lies to the east. It is this strategic location that has made Himachal Pradesh a melting pot of diverse cultures, traditions, and cuisines. If the geography of Himachal Pradesh is a sonnet to the beauty of nature, then its history is an epic of human resilience and ambition. The state has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the march of armies, and the peaceful coexistence of different religions. It has stood as a silent sentinel, observing the ebb and flow of time and offering refuge to those seeking solace in its serene environs. In summary, Himachal Pradesh is a land of mesmerizing beauty and rich cultural heritage. It is a place where nature and history intertwine, creating a tapestry that is as diverse as it is captivating. From its snow-clad mountains to its verdant valleys, from its bustling cities to its quaint villages, from its ancient temples to its colonial architecture, Himachal Pradesh is a paradise for the discerning traveler. So pack your bags, tighten your boots, and set your spirits free. Himachal Pradesh awaits you with its open arms and a promise of an unforgettable journey. This is not just a state, it is a state of mind, where every moment spent is a memory etched in the heart. This is Himachal Pradesh, the Wonderland.